Hey, welcome to the video. Today we will be building a bird nest sculpture. For this project, we'll be using 1/4" round bar. I've cut 4 pieces at 7 inches, 5 pieces at 3.5 inches, and 25 pieces at 2.5 inches. In the description, you can find a link for the DXF file for the bird and the base. You can use these to cut the pieces out with a plasma cutter. PPE is always important. First, we are going to take 3 of the 7-inch pieces and lay them out like this. Now we tack the pieces together. We take 3 of the 3.5-inch pieces and start to form the nest. Again, tacking these pieces as we go. Now it's time to get creative. Using 15 of the 2.5-inch pieces, let your imagination run wild and build the nest, tacking each piece as you go. We're going to use 2 of the remaining 3.5-inch pieces to build the perch for the bird. This will make it easier for us to weld the bird to the nest. Now that the nest is looking great, let's work on our bird. In a position that's comfortable for you, tack the wings on like so. Next up, we'll weld the tail on the bird. Both our bird and nest are looking great. It's time to place our bird in the nest and tack it in place. Position your piece to make it easiest to weld. With the remainder of the 2.5-inch pieces, fill out the nest. This is another great opportunity to be creative and to make the nest your own. Using the last piece of 7-inch round bar, we create our branch. Finally, we weld the branch to the base. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to post your creation and tag us on Instagram.